Hey there, my name is Dimitri, and here at Testimonial.to, we really appreciate the value that AI provides. Inside of our own product, we have a myriad of different AI features that allow you to enhance your testimonials so that your user base and the customers that may be coming to your website have the ability to see how great your product is because of what other people have said about it. Now, at the current moment, what we know is that AI plays a critical factor into how people can conduct their business on a day-to-day basis. But what I've found is that a lot of people don't actually know what AI can do, and they simply just use it as a buzzword in conversation, but their businesses or at their job, they don't really realize this thing is a lot more powerful than you probably think it is. So I'm going to talk about 3 different things that I found to be really useful when looking at AI and how you can use it in your workflows. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, something that a lot of people are unaware of is that AI is actually pretty customizable. A lot of people will use the free plan for these products. And while I understand that, I have to just point out something very obvious. If you're paying for something with free pricing, you're gonna get free value out of it. And what you are missing out on when it comes to the premier levels of tools like ChatGPT and paid tools like PDF.ai, you're missing out on enhanced specificity. And a lot of times in business, it's about having a bunch of good scalpels, not having a simple, I guess someone would probably call it Swiss Army knife. The concept of Swiss Army knife is better when you're kind of earlier in business or when you need a bunch of things that you can get for free. But if you're really trying to do something well and have those high paying clients and have those high paying customers, you want to have the ability to do things specifically. So what I've been able to do inside of ChatGPT is create my own chatbot for my company that actually has a myriad of different PDFs uploaded to it that have the ability to not only utilize the large language model that exists, but also search up knowledge that I've trained it on as to how we operate so that the AI actually works in a positive way so that people in my company know how to operate within our business. So I could ask a question like, what would be a great way to get a company like Tactic.io meeting notes taker to build out their organic content strategy? And what this is going to do is it's going to actually search the knowledge within the bot and then respond with the strategies that I've laid out for it as the business owner of a small business who makes content about SaaS, and then give ideas around it. It would not be able to search up a knowledge base, and it wouldn't be able to search the internet without this premium option. And it wouldn't have this knowledge base if I didn't upgrade in order for it to have the ability for knowledge bases to go inside of it. And then you'll see right here, it's going to give me a very well thought out concept for this and even create a suggested content calendar, which is incredible. All of this information is based off of trainings that I've given people on my team, and I've implemented that knowledge into ChatGPT, which is incredible. Now, what if I looked up something like incorporate results from the internet as to tactics target market for content ideas for 5 long form YouTube videos. So it's going to search the web for the target market and then come back with some ideas for what to make content on. And these are all pretty solid ideas like maximizing team productivity, how to use Tactic with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So these are pretty great ideas. And not only that, but what I also can do is I can have this research stuff go one step further by creating custom actions inside this ChatGPT that would actually keyword research if I connected it to an API and use different products that have API connections to work with. Yeah, that's right. I can actually interact with API connected keyword research products in order to enhance my research. Now, if you want to be the person who just simply uses the free version, that's fine by me, but customization is going to lead to better results, and those better results are going to pay you more. Now, second on the list of what we have is actually a really cool product called Plus Docs. This is a great product that essentially makes it easy for you to generate a filed presentation or just like a templated presentation based on a topic that you create. So if you put a Word document or PDF or just like write out a bunch of text and want to create a presentation, this product allows you to create a presentation in any style you want. And from there, you can create quicker sales decks so that you're prepared for different calls and that you know you are getting something that's based off of your ideation. So say, for example, you wanted to pitch a customer on how to get more revenue by creating more content on specific channels. You then could quickly create a presentation with this product like plus docs. And then from there, you're presenting this Google slide in your next meeting and you sell your client because you were prepared and it saved you time rather than you having to manually create like a 10-slide presentation that looked nice. Creating ideas, generating concept-based presentations, and last but not least, presenting your testimonials in a better way with AI. That's what I'm all about. Those three things are going to get you so much farther in such a simple way. Because if you generate the ideas, you create a presentation, and then people can follow through on being interested in your product and purchasing because of how they saw the testimonials on your website, you're gonna have a lot better of a sales cycle than if you simply just half try to embed different testimonials on your website and just talk to your clients rather than creating a presentation for them. Due to testimonial.io and a bunch of different AI features, I have been able to embed a lot of different widgets, testimonials individually, and walls of love on my website so people can see the different customers and clients I've had and how they like what I've done for them. So if you're interested in utilizing any of these different products, make sure to check out testimonial.to because telling people why others have liked your product through a great presentation like this is the first step in making your business that much more profitable. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time here today, and we'll see you in the next one.